In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reset Pinterest feed. If your Pinterest home feed feels off or cluttered with topics you don't care about anymore, this walkthrough will help you refresh what you see. We'll do this on the desktop version of Pinterest, because the placement of menus is clearest there and matches what I'm describing. Start by going to pinterest.com in your web browser and signing into your account. Once you're on your home feed, look toward the bottom left of the screen. You'll see a small settings or gear icon in the sidebar. Click that to open your account controls. From the menu that appears, choose Settings to open the Full Settings panel. This is where Pinterest groups controls that influence your recommendations. Inside Settings, select Refine Your Recommendations. This section is the command center for what shapes your feed. Pinterest uses signals from your activity, your stated interests, so well as in your boards. We'll tone each of these down so your feed can reset. First, under the activity area, turn off all the activity-based signals. This prevents your recent searches, clicks, and browsing from continuing to steer your recommendations. It won't delete your history, but it stops it from influencing what shows up next. Next, move to interests. Here, Pinterest may show topics you previously followed or selected. Click Remove on the interests you no longer want. Removing them simply clears those topics from your profile's preference list, so your feed isn't anchored to old categories. Then, go to Boards. There's a control that lets Pinterest use your boards to build your home feed. Click Turn Off so that saved pins and board themes stop feeding into new recommendations. Don't worry, this doesn't delete any boards or pins, it just stops them from being used as signals. Finally, look for the Gen AI Pins section. If you prefer not to see AI-generated suggestions shaping your home feed, you can turn off all here as well. This helps keep your recommendations grounded in non-generated content. After you've adjusted these areas, activity, interests, boards, and Gen AI pins, return to your home feed. Changes may not be instant across every section, but you should notice a cleaner, more neutral set of recommendations fairly quickly. Over time, your feed will continue to recalibrate based on these choices. If you ever want to reintroduce certain signals, you can come back to the same Refine Your Recommendations page and toggle things back on or add interests again. That's it. You've reset your Pinterest feed by refining the signals that power it. Thanks for watching, and I hope your refreshed feed feels much more you.